Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to set a custom ringtone on the VIVO X300 Pro. First of all, open Settings by scrolling down from top to bottom and pressing the little gear here. In Settings, scroll down a little to Sounds and Vibration section. In here, scroll down to Mechanical Ringtone. In this menu, you can choose from a variety of pre-installed ringtones or choose a custom ringtone that you downloaded. Go to Custom Ringtone and select the audio file you need. Once you've selected it, it plays to make sure you've selected the right audio file. Now you have a custom ringtone. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.